Right, should we start it?
The car ran, but it still sounded like the odd time it had a bit of a misfire.
Engine light?
Not yet, but we are bouncing a bit.
It seemed when the car come off the cold start, it started to run a lot better.
That's running loads better. Got a coolant light, but obviously we ain't put the coolant in it yet. Yeah, give it a scan. If nothing comes up, we'll leave it. Tomorrow morning we'll come back and cold start it, and then all spark plug change.